Guys, welcome to my channel. So today tutorial is about double lift. So I'm gonna teach you first how to get ready to get a double lift, and afterwards how to actually turn over the card. So in this tutorial we are going to, so there are many kind of double lifts. We are going from basic to advanced double lift. So let's begin. So this is the first double lift, 2 card pushover double lift, in which we take pinky break like this. This is the double lift which I use. The double lift is the first time I used this double lift actually, which is the 2 card pushover double lift like this. This is the first double lift. Just push over 2 cards with your thumb and then take break with your pinky finger. To look it more better, you can just do a wrist kill like this. See, just take the card, do a wrist kill and take a pinky break. See, I have taken a pinky break here. See, just do this, just go down and take a pinky break. See, I have taken a pinky break. So that was the first double lift. So don't do this in front of the spectator. Just do a wrist kill, or you had to something to pick up, go like this and take a pinky break. See, I had taken a pinky break here, and then turn over the card. So that was the first double lift. And the second, which most of the people use, is riffling the card. See, most of the people riffle the card like this and stop at the 2 cards and then take the pinky break. See, this way. So one thing you have to keep in mind while doing this, instead of doing this and then taking the pinky break, you riffle from both the side and then take the pinky break. It look much clear, you know. See, doing this, it's bit suspicious, but when you do it from both the side, see, this way, then it's a bit less suspicious. See, when you spring the card from both the side and then take the pinky break. See, like this, between 2 cards. So that was the second double lift. Now we will go further advanced. So next double lift is the pinky count double lift. See, just pinky count the 2 cards. It's a bit advanced. You gonna need some pinky strength. You won't get it in your first try, but bend over your deck like this. It's in opposite direction as it's mine, and just riffle the cards. See, riffle. Just bend the card like this. See, bevel the cards. Just bevel the card like this with your pinky finger and then count 2 cards, and then just turn over the 2 cards as one. See, this way. See, what you wanna do is bevel the card, then take the pinky break, count 2 cards, and then with your thumb just turn over the card. See, one more time, bevel the cards with your pinky, count 2 cards, and then just you had a pinky break. And then next, which I use most of the time, and now also I use this. See, this one, it's thumb count double lift. See, these are actually 2 cards, but when you put it like this, see, they came as one. Actually 2 cards. Actually these are 2 cards. See, these are actually 2 cards. So that was the last double lift. See how you perform this. Just riffle 2 cards. See, 1, 2 with your thumb, then put pressure with your thumb. Take your index finger, put it in the middle of the cards, and then just with your index finger push the card forwards. See, hold the deck in the mechanical grips, then bevel the card little to this side. See, then thumb count the cards, then push the card with your thumb, put the index finger inside, and then just push the card forward. See, one last time. See, what you wanna do is this, push it with your thumb, then with your index finger just push it forward. One thing you wanna keep in mind is while you do this, don't go directly and go like this. One tip, when you push over the card, then let the card themselves come forward. Just give support with your index finger. Don't go overboard and do this. You won't get this in your first try. At least it will take a month. For me to take, it take at least 2 months to perfect this double lift. See this. In start the card will split. See, this way the card will split, but as you practice it will become more easier and the card will not split and it will came as one. So these were the double lift. So let's jump to the turnover. So do any double lift you like. So turnover, most of the people use this turnover, but it look little amateurish. This turnover, but it look little childish. You can do this after taking double lift. You can do this one. Yes, but you have to do it with the flow. It has its flow. See, this is the best turnover. Or you can do this. See how to. First you know how to this, then how to actually do this and won't let the card split. See, when you take the double lift, this card, just hold this with your thumb and index finger. See, thumb, index finger and middle finger, and then bring this card over here and contact this 3 finger. See, with this 3 finger, bring the card here and contact to this 3 finger and just drop it. You won't get this also in your first try. It brings from practice. See, like this. See, or you can also let the card drop without taking any break. This is more convincing. Then again take the break and then turn over the card. See, first just try practicing this. First just practice this turning over the card. Just practice this turning over the card, and then you go for that. See this. And one more thing keep in mind, when you actually turn over the card, see this way, make sure to turn over the card little front from the deck. See, this is, I had gone overboard, but keep a little distance. See, this much, so you can catch the 2 card. Or if you draw the card at the equal level of the deck, then your break is lost. See, most of the people do this. Take the break and then again take the break while turning over. See this. They again take the break like this. Never do this. See, just turn over the card like this. Let it drop. Then if you want, again take the break. See, if you want to take the break afterwards, you can always go for this. See, do this. Then with your thumb you can take a break. See, or you can just let the card fall little front from the deck. See, this way, little front, don't go overboard, just let it fall little front. See, this much is okay, and then you can catch a break from there. See, I can catch the card directly from there. And the another way to turn over the card is this one. See, catch the edge of the deck and do this. See. So how you wanna do this? Pick the right top corner of the cards with your thumb and index and middle finger and put the pressure at this point and just turn over the card. It's a good way to reveal a card. You can also do a wrist action if you like. See, just turn over the wrist little. See this. Show the card in this way. So that was the next turnover. See, let me show you again all turnover. See, this was the first. You can use this if you are doing a pack trick, you know. This one and then this one. See, I mostly prefer this one and I use it most of the times. So that was the third turnover. Let me show you the fourth. See this fourth turnover. See, this mostly Shimlim uses in his tricks. See, take the card, catches the card from this end and just turn over like this. See, he do this with a flow. See, like this. Don't do this. Some people take this and do this. Just go with the flow like this. What you wanna do with your middle finger and thumb. With your middle finger and thumb, catch the two corners of the card and then just let it slide. Just let it slide over the deck, and with the support of your these three fingers, see, with the support of your these three fingers, just let the card fall. See again. See this way. Let the card fall. See. So that was the turnover. So let's go again for all the double lift. So this was the improved. I will show you the improved one. This was the first double lift, and the second one was the spring one. Keep in mind, spring the card from both the side. So this was the second pinky break, and the next pinky break double lift, which uses this pinky count, then turn over the cards. This was the second double lift, and then for the fourth, which is I mostly used, see this and this. It's act as much as a convincer. How two cards pop up as one. This thing act as a convincer. See, this is one of my all-time favorite double lift. See, and now the turnover. This was the first turnover, and then this was the second. Just take it, slide over the deck with your three finger, give support with your three finger, and just drop the card like this. So that's the second turnover. And the third, which is this one, put pressure at your. While doing this, keep one thing in mind. Put this deck deep inside your hand. Don't be like this way. So you could put pressure at a certain point. See, this way. I don't use this actually to reveal. I mostly use this double lift, or I perform a convincer like this. See this one, and then the last one, which actually use these two cards, slide over this way and then drop it. See, this way. So that was the last turnover. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.